nothing without my work. With my hands I softly weave little dreams in every bead. Copper pearls and stones so bright, I turn them into rays of light. Every pace I make with care, a touch of love is hidden there. Through my art, my heart shines too. Each little jewel feels pure and new.
Hi everyone, welcome to Laila's Creations Jewelry. I hope you are all doing well and you managed to get some time for watching my new work. So I don't want to disappoint you. Today I'm going to share with you a wire wrapping cabochon design. I made this resin cabochon using some dry lavender flowers. And now I'm going to share with you the wire wrapping process. Here I used 20 gauge and 26 gauge silver wire for wrapping my cabochon. I hope you can learn something new in this video. So watch the full making procedure. The end result is mesmerizing, but the design is not critical. Always think positive and be creative. Have a nice day. Thank you.